This video is intended to train healthcare professionals how to use the Bioline Dengue Duo test kit. These components are included in the test kit. These components are required but not provided. Here are some important notes before you begin. There are two devices which allows you to detect both dengue virus NS1 antigen and IgG/IgM antibodies. Check the expiration date. Put on disposable gloves. Open the test pouch and place the device on a flat and dry surface. Write the patient's identification on the device. Let's begin with the Dengue NS1 antigen test first. Lightly squeeze the bulb of a new disposable dropper to expel air out and submerge the tip of the dropper into the specimen vertically. Gently release the bulb to draw the specimen up. Dispense 3 drops of the specimen into the specimen well. Now let's move on to the IgG/IgM test. Squeeze the top of the capillary pipette and bring the open tip to the plasma, serum, or whole blood, and slowly release the pressure to collect the specimen up to the fill line. Make sure to collect 10 microliters up to the fill line. Dispense 10 microliters of specimen into the specimen well on the device. Hold the diluent bottle vertically and add 4 drops of assay diluent into the round specimen well. Wait for the colored lines to appear. Read the results between 15 to 20 minutes. Dengue NS1 antigen test. The test line T is specific for Dengue NS1 antigen, and C is the control line. Please note that visible test lines should be considered reactive even if faint. Only one line in the control line C means it is negative for Dengue NS1 antigen. A line in C and a line in T means it is positive for Dengue NS1 antigen. If no line appears in the control line C, it means the test is invalid. Repeat the test again with a new test device. Dengue IgG/IgM test. The test line M is specific for IgM, and G is for IgG. C is the control line. Only one line in the control line C means it is negative for Dengue IgG or IgM antibodies. A line in C and a line in M means a positive result for other Dengue IgM antibody. A line in C and a line in G means a positive result for other Dengue IgG antibody. 3 lines in C, M, and G means a positive result for Dengue IgM and IgG antibodies. If no line appears in the control line C, it means the test is invalid. Repeat the test again with a new test device.